I found a website that gives full access to Sora 2 completely free. No credit, no invitation code, and it can create amazing videos instantly. And guess what? You don't even need a single credit to generate your video. I'll also show you how to remove the watermark and boost your video quality, all for free. Hey everyone, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really motivates me to make more valuable tutorials for you. Now, let's jump straight to the point. The website we're using today is called Mind Video AI. I'll leave the link in the description below. Before we start, pay close attention because I'll show you the right way to use this website step by step. First, open the website. You can sign up using Google or enter your email manually. Choose whichever is easier for you. I'll sign in through Google to make it faster. After signing in, this is the home page. Click on the gift box icon. You'll see you get a day 1 checking. If you check your credits, you'll see 2 general credits, but for Sora 2, it says 0 credit needed. That means we can generate unlimited videos without spending any credit. Now hit the menu button at the top left corner. You'll see many features like text to video, image to video, and lip sync. But today, we'll focus on text to video. That's where Sora 2 shines. Before Sora 2, we had to write a prompt, generate an image, and then animate it with only 1 movement. But now with Sora 2, you can go directly from text to video, and the results are mind-blowing. Click text to video, then choose Sora 2 free, not pro. You'll see it still says 0 credit. Below, you can change the aspect ratio for short or long videos. Remember, the free version allows up to 15 seconds per video. Now let's get an idea. Go to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a short idea for Sora 2 to create a 3-second video." After reading the options, I'll choose this one. A person snaps their fingers and their outfit instantly changes. Copy that idea and paste it into Mind Video AI, then hit generate. Wait a few seconds, and boom, here's the result.
Clean, right? But sometimes you want something sharper. Or maybe a laid-back layer with a bit of texture. Whatever the vibe, 1 snap and you're set. Style's supposed to be easy, have fun with it.
An amazing short video created with 0 credit. Since it's free, the video comes with a watermark. But don't worry. Open a website called Unwatermark, then click Try Remove Watermark from Video. Select your video, draw over the logo, and click Remove. It disappears instantly. Now you have a clean, watermark-free video. Next, open CapCut. Import your video, go to Adjustments, and play with brightness, saturation, and contrast until it looks good. Then change the resolution to 1080p and export it. Now look at the final result.
Clean, right? But sometimes you want something sharper. Or maybe a laid-back layer with a bit of texture. Whatever the vibe, 1 snap and you're set. Style's supposed to be easy, have fun with it.
It's stunning. That's how you use Sora 2 completely free. No credits, no invite, full access. If you want me to make a video showing how to create 1-minute-long videos, comment below, show us, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more free AI tutorials.